we have a quadrilateral ABCD, and they're telling us there's another one that has corresponding vertices that are make a scaled copy to this one. So I'm going to draw it. It's really a sketch, not a great one at that, but the corresponding vertex to A is P, B to Q, and R to C, and D to S. So it doesn't exactly look the same, but it will look something like this if I were drawing it on a grid. And they tell us that in the scaled copy, the space between P and Q is 3 units. So I'm going to write a 3 here for us. And we are supposed to figure out the distance from Q to S, so this length here. Now, if we look at a corresponding part in ABCD, you'll notice that this is 6 units long. So to get from 6 to 3 means that we would have a scale factor of 1/2. It's less than 1 because our scaled copy is smaller. And so we're supposed to figure out how far it is from Q to S. This is beginning to look a little messy, but I think you can see what I mean here. Therefore, we need to figure out what the distance is from B to D. And that's also 6 units. So we know that the distance from Q to S is also going to be 3 units. So our answer is 3.